Hi everyone and welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. If you're new to QGIS, one of the very first things you will actually want to know is how to add labels to your map. You want to see the names of countries, probably number of population in that very location appear on your map, but you're not really sure where to start from. In our today's video, we're actually going to help you go through as quick as possible. Okay, apologies for the breaking transmission. So let's get straight to it. We have our shapefile here. We just right click, go to properties, and on this pane we have labels. Change this from no labels to single labels. If I apply, we shift this aside to see what I have here. So if what I have here I'm not okay with this, I can decide to change the font of this. I could decide to change the style of the text. I could also decide to reduce or increase the size of the text. Probably also I'm not interested in having the labels black. I could change that to white. Once I'm done, apply. So unfortunately, white's not really good here because of this. So I could actually change that back to black. And voila, we have that. So see, it wasn't actually that hard. You just learned the fundamental skills in QGIS, and there's one skill that you basically actually use all the time. So the best way to remember this is not just watch the video, but actually open a map and try it out for yourself. So let us know in the comment section the very first thing you labeled. And if you have any other GIS related question, please do feel free to drop it on the comment section. We'll be happy to see it. I'll be more happy to reply. If this video helped you get started, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more easy to follow GIS tutorial. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping.